How's it going, people? It's Rich, your eye treatment room, Taunton. Right, I've just finished recently a client who had like spider veins up here, thread veins, spider veins. You know, the little red, little spidery veiny things you can see sometimes. You know, ruptured vessels and things. They've had a session of removal, so I thought I haven't done a video about that, so here it is. Explanation of the treatment, how it works, what it does, as detailed as I can get it, just so that you really understand the process. Okay, so let's go.
Spider veins vanish away, hoping they are gone to stay.
Spider vein removal using my ND YAG make of laser machine is popular and an effective method for treating spider veins, which are small dilated blood vessels near the surface of the skin. So here is a bit more of a comprehensive overlook of the process for you. First of all, what is my laser machine? It's an ND YAG laser machine, and it's typically used for various dermatological treatments. It can operate at a wavelength of 1064 nanometers, allowing it to penetrate the skin deeply enough and target blood vessels effectively. Right, so how this works, okay, with the laser machine. It's selective photothermolysis. Right, the laser emits light energy that is selectively absorbed by the hemoglobin in the blood vessels. Yeah. Right, so the next step is heat generation. The absorbed energy converts to heat, which coagulates the blood inside the targeted vessels. Yeah. And then the next bit is the vessel collapse. The heat causes the walls of the blood vessels to collapse and seal shut, which eventually leads to the blood vessels being reabsorbed by the body and disappearing from the skin surface. Right, so we have consultation and evaluation. Myself, as the practitioner, the consultation will examine the affected area and assess that my treatment is suitable for this process. My treatment is for small to sort of medium thread of spider veins. If it gets bigger than that, then you need to go and speak to a higher professional GP specialist. Okay. Alright, just getting a drink while I'm on a break. So where have we got to? Done consultation, evaluation, preparation for the treatment. Okay, so skin cleaning. The area that is to be treated is cleaned thoroughly to remove any makeup, oils, or any other lotions that may be on the skin. Yeah. And then protective eyewear must be worn by both yourself, the client, and myself, to shield the eyes from the flash of the laser. Right, very, very important. Eyewear, very important. Okay, that's the next bit. See you in a sec. Right, excuse me, I'm having a break. As I said, having a little bit of a drink. It's hot today, especially in here. It's a bit on the warm side, got the fan on, so sorry about the background noise. Okay, so The laser treatment itself, the procedure, I would move the laser, the handpiece, over the affected area. Okay, the laser delivers pulses of energy to the spider vein itself. Slowly, it's not rushed. Okay, the sensation of that for yourself, it may feel just a mild stingy or snappy sensation from the laser. It's not insane, right? You could use like a numbing gel beforehand, put that on to make it a little bit more comfortable for you. And to see the duration myself, depending on the size, you're looking at about a quarter of an hour, half an hour, but I very much doubt half an hour is going to pass for you. Alright, so that's that little bit for you there. Alright, so after the treatment's been done, yes, it might feel a little uncomfortable. Little. It's not going to be like, oh my god, my face is melting, or where my arm is falling off. It's nothing like that whatsoever. Okay, so your post-treatment care, I would offer you, if you need it, a cooling pad or an ice pack or something, just to put on the area, just to make it feel nicer. And if there is any minor swelling, it will reduce the swelling. All right. Your skin care after the treatment, I would advise you to avoid major sun exposure for a few days, right? Because I always do that thing, if you burn your finger on the oven rack and then you go to the sink and you put it in the hot water, it blooming hurts, doesn't it? It blooming hurts. And that is because you're putting heat onto heat. And this is a similar principle. I've just heated up an area and that heat lingers. So if you then add more heat to it, it's going to aggravate it. And the last thing I want to happen, or anyone should want to happen to you, is for it to become irritated, blistered possibly if it's in intense heat adding. So it's just a case of being careful. Alright? So yeah, you could get swelling, you could get bruising. It's so rare. I've never had that from anyone who's come to see me. Mild swelling for like a day maybe, but that's it. All right. There's rarely changes in the skin colour. All right, and as I said, blistering, scabbing, it's from my opinion, it's very rare, but you must never rule that out. Sorry. Okay. You also obviously you've got consultation beforehand, so we go through a skin typing process to make sure that the levels that we're using are 100% relevant to you and your skin type, but mainly relevant to you. All right. So this treatment provides it is safe and effective option for spider vein, thread vein removal. It's offering significant cosmetic improvement with minimal discomfort and downtime.
Spider veins fading fast. Say goodbye to the past.
I hope that was informative for you regarding that particular treatment. I always say the same thing. If this is something that is concerning you, you have issues like this, and you wish to have a chat about possible treatment for this, all you need to do, give me a ring, drop me a message. We will sort out a consultation, which is always free. We can chat, discuss issues, and take it from there. Great speaking to you again. Take care. Look after yourselves, which is more important. Be safe. Love you loads. Bye.